Hello everyone, here are my pictures of a part of Knightsbridge London Underground Station that you normally never see, but you will in a couple of years. But more on that later. Let's start off with a bit of context and history about the station, shall we? The station was originally opened with lifts in 1906 instead of escalators, with an entrance on Brompton Road and a rear exit at the corner of Bassett Street and Hoover's Court. However, the station became busier than expected in the next couple of decades, and hence, the station was completely rebuilt with escalators and two new ticket halls and station buildings in 1934, which led to the original lifts, associated passageways, footbridges, and entrances and exits being shut and fall into disuse. The opening of the new station entrances also led to the closure of the little-used Brompton Road station that was just down the road and is now one of the better-known ghost stations of the Underground. Fortunately and luckily, these disused corridors, tunnels and lifts are, as of 2020, due to be reopened to the general public by 2021, i.e. next year. As part of the Mayor of London's strategy of improving accessibility across the tube network, Knightsbridge's abandoned areas are now being rebuilt to make the station step-free. This will involve the rebuilding of the original lift shafts and passageways and stairways, along with additional new lift shafts. The main shaft will now comprise of two new lifts, leading to two new station buildings at Brompton Road and Hooper's Court, just like the original 1906 station building did. As part of my behind-the-scenes tour of Knightsbridge last year in 2019, I got to look at the disused areas and the construction works. At the time, the original 1906 Edwardian Leslie green tiles were very beautifully preserved along the whole length of the subways and stairs as shown in my photos, complete with the original to the train sign still in place. When first opened, the station had two staircases down to platform level from the corridors. Construction workers take this staircase to get to and from the platform level to the disused areas, but the second staircase to platform level was actually shut behind a locked door for many years and decades and was just opened for the first time last year and was found to be blocked and sealed. On the other hand, the emergency spiral staircase's steps were also removed, leaving just an empty and hollow shaft where it once occupied. The brand new lift shafts were also being constructed down to platform level at the same time. This is probably the only example to date where a station's disused lift shaft is being reopened and getting reused for its original purpose. The whole project is projected to be completed in March 2021, with the station's disused areas seeing the first passengers after 86 years. Hooray! However, the project may get delayed due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, by the way. Because of this project, the tube map will get a new step-free station, and, as you know, it's good to have another step-free station. Yippee! Many thousands of commuters walk past the construction works every day completely oblivious to this. Oh wait, I have not even mentioned the fact that to facilitate the rebuilding of the abandoned areas, two of the new exits that were opened in the 30s were permanently closed, demolished, and abandoned in November 2017. That were located on the corner of Brompton Road and Sloane Street, which were numbered as exits 3 and 4. You should have used them if you've been there before 2017. Feel free to let me know how you found my video in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching and see you again in another new video soon. Take care.